What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today, once again, you guys, as the viewers, have the honor of joining me, YouTube's best and most efficient knife unboxer, in just that, unboxing a knife. So let's go ahead and get out the only cutting apparatus that actually makes sense for cutting open boxes and do exactly that. I can see here that there's some sort of seam, so we're going to cut that somewhere between 4 and 6 times. And then we're going to kind of feel around for a means to just pry some sides off. As you know, my processes are a little bit cryptic. I don't have any specific patterns, so I would imagine easily repeatable and clear. I mean, you guys definitely that makes sense, right? We're gonna open this with our hands. Here we go. Can we just unwrap this? So what's it going to be? This before I get this out on camera, again, I don't know what it is. I'm guessing it's from the Pass Run group, which means it was probably provided by the manufacturer. I like to do them that way just because it's kind of an organic response. And we have, all right, we've got a Massdrop knife, the Dogtooth. I've been waiting on this one for a while. Let's go ahead and get this out. I'm going to guess this is a smaller knife. Yeah. So here's what we've got. Nice, simple carbon fiber look there on the outside. So the scales are nicely rounded, slightly contoured carbon fiber. I'm going to imagine those are titanium liners underneath. Got a nice looking, very nice looking deep carry pocket clip with a spoon bill. Sticks up quite a bit. I imagine we'll get to that. Ooh, very nice flipping action. So this is one, golly, that is very smooth. Let me do that again. Yeah. That's a nice, smooth-feeling, lightweight little knife. So I'm loving the compound grind on this with the Warncliffe blade. That's really cool. What do we have here? S35VN. Take a look at the other side there. It says Massdrop. Really impressed with the scales. That just looks beautiful. The standoffs underneath. That is a beautiful and very simple little knife. You know, it's a tiny choil, but it works. That is very, very interesting. I can't wait to carry that a little bit, kind of play with it, and then give my thoughts on it. Really, really cool. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.